Hi, my name is Nadia Khan. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you in this video how to convert a man's shirt into beautiful waist-gather frock for a 5 years old girl. This is a shirt. First I will remove all parts of this shirt like sleeves, collar and pocket as well. First I am removing both sleeves. Then I am removing the collar. Now it's time to remove the pocket. This is the seams ripper. Remove it with the help of this, but carefully and gently. Pocket has been removed. After that, I'm going to remove the shoulder seams and the side seams of the shirt. All parts of this shirt have been separated. This is the back side of a shirt, so keep aside first. We will work on first part. This part of a shirt is removed also. Now it is removed. I am taking the measurement of a bodice. Bodice length is 9 inches, but I will take 1 inch extra for seams allowance. After measurement, I have cut it. Now it look like this. I am going to use this sleeve in order to make the embellishment for this frock. I am taking 9 inches length from this sleeve for embellishment. For this kind of embellishment I already made a video. You can find the link in I button and I will mention the link in description also. First draw some slanted lines in order to make the diamond shape design. After draw these slanted line, I have stitched it, and after stitching it look like this. I will apply this embellishment in the center of my bodice. Extra fabric I will remove. I have a lace of the same color of this shirt, so I will apply this lace on this embellishment in order to make it more beautiful. I will apply on the both sides. After pinning, I will sew this embellishment with the bodice. In the same time, I will attach the lace on the embellishment also. After embellishment, it looked like this. As you see, the cutting of this bodice is completed. This is the back side of the bodice, so I will make a button placket in that. I am making the button placket in the center of my back bodice, so I am cutting this. Almost bodice is completed. I have applied lining in that. Lining gives the professional and clean look to your garment. I already made the video about the lining. You can find the link in description. This lace I will apply on armholes. After applying this, I will sew the side seams of the bodice. I have sewn the side seams of the bodice and as well as the laces in the armholes. This is the time to stitch the bottom skirt. This is the front part of my shirt. First I will stitch it in order to close it. After that I will make a frill on both sides. Frills are completed and I have sewn the side seams of the bottom skirt also. This is the front side of our shirt. I have sewn it from the center. But I am going to make it back side of my frock. With the help of pins, I am going to join the button placket with the center part of my bottom skirt. These pins help us to stitch the both parts easily. Pinning the side seams of the bodice with the side seams of bottom skirt. After pinning, sew them carefully and slowly. It is all done. After stitching, it looked like this. I have a same color bow, so I applied it. It looks so lovely. This is the back side of this frock. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Take care. Bye bye.